In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use WooCommerce with Google Analytics. By the end, you'll have your WordPress store ready to send valuable data to Google Analytics so you can understand where your customers come from, which products convert best, and how your checkout is performing. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard with administrator access and that WooCommerce is already installed on your site. It also helps to have your Google Analytics account and property set up in advance, since the plugin you install will ask to connect to it. If you're using any caching or security plugins, keep in mind they may briefly delay tracking while everything syncs. Start by opening your WordPress website's dashboard. This is your main control center where you'll manage plugins, settings, and WooCommerce. If you're not already on the dashboard, look for the left-hand menu that lists posts, pages, plugins, and settings. Next, go to the Plugins section and choose Add New. This is where you can browse and add tools that extend your site's functionality. You'll see a search bar at the top right of the screen and a list of popular and recommended plugins below. In the search field, type Google Analytics. You'll see a variety of options. Look for a plugin that clearly supports WooCommerce and is regularly updated with strong reviews. That ensures compatibility with the latest versions of WordPress and WooCommerce and helps you capture e-commerce events like product views, add to cart actions, and completed purchases. When you find the plugin you want, click it, then click Install and Activate. After activation, most plugins immediately launch a setup wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your site to your Google Analytics property. If the plugin offers an option for enhanced e-commerce or WooCommerce tracking during setup, enable it so you can capture product and checkout behavior. If you've previously added analytics tracking code manually or through another plugin, make sure you only have one active method to avoid duplicate hits. Once setup is complete, give it a few minutes for data to start flowing. You can browse your store as a visitor in a private window to generate some test activity. Many users check the real-time section in Google Analytics to confirm that page views are being recorded. That's it. You opened your WordPress website, added a plugin, searched for Google Analytics, and installed and activated it to integrate WooCommerce with Analytics. With tracking in place, you'll be able to analyze traffic, sales, and user behavior to make smarter decisions for your store.